Welcome to Milne Library, a one-stop shop for all of your academic needs. As you can imagine, there are tons of books, articles, and more for you to reserve and check out. There's a lot to see and do here. To start, let's grab a bite to eat at our goatee. The main level of the library offers lots of comfy, colorful spots to study and chat with friends. Need some technological support? Visit IT services on the lower level. Need to print something? We have several computer labs here. Feeling lost when it comes to research? Our librarians are the best and can offer great guidance. The first floor is also home to accessibility resources, where eligible students can coordinate learning accommodations. If you need a little extra help, check out the Student Learning Center on the second floor, where you'll find peer tutoring, professional academic coaching, and writing consultations and workshops. When it's time to buckle down and really focus, head up to the third floor. But shh, it's our silent floor. While you're there, check out the Alden Room, a mini museum of old SUNY Oneonta photos and artifacts. Keep your eyes peeled for Jessica Alden, our very first librarian who, although no longer alive, still likes to work a shift or two and keep watch over things. The library also has a secret sub-basement with movable shelves and a huge collection of old microfilms, maps, newspapers, textbooks, CDs, DVDs, and more. And that was a look at the Milne Library.